friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Bepro network. What changes occur in the Bepro network in the previous 2 hour 1 hour. So before starting this video, kindly click the subscribe button and complete my 2k subscriber. A lot of people are not subscribing my channel, so kindly help me and hit my 2k subscriber. Now let's see the live price prediction of Bepro network. What changes occur in the Bepro network. As you can see on the screen, the last 2 hour result of Bepro, absolutely good time of Bepro holder. As you can see here, the changes is in positive 2.34% changes occur in the Bepro in the previous 2 hour. In the high price of Bepro network in the previous two hour, it's $0.020525 is the high price of Bepro in the previous 2 hour. It's absolutely a great change. If we see the chart analysis, after a small dumping, they are start great for jumping upward. As you can see here, it's a good news for all Bepro holder. Congratulations. Now let's see the live price prediction of previous 1 hour. What changes occur in the previous last 1 hour in the Bepro network. Absolutely good, absolutely good. I congrats to all Bepro holders. As you can see here, the chart is also a positive 2.48% occur in the Bepro network in the previous 1 hour. That's the live price prediction of previous 1 hour. As you can see here on the graph of the Bepro network, so it's continuously jumping upward. It's a very good news for all Bepro holders, and my suggestion is to buy a Bepro network and make a good profit by Bepro. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit my 2k subscriber.